Hi everybody, I'm Melissa Bender and I'm super excited to welcome you to today's workout. Today's workout's going to take a little over 17 minutes. So I have my interval timer set for 12 rounds, so 12 exercises, 35 seconds of cardio before each exercise, 50 seconds maximum repetitions of each exercise during the workout routine. So for cardio, I'm going to do high knees, running in place. If you want a low impact variation, you're going to march in place, keeping your belly strong. Does not matter which version you do as long as it is challenging to you. So keep your heart rate up, get yourself sweating, push yourself. If you need a break at any time during the max reps, take a break and get back into it as quickly as you can, okay? Are you guys ready? You don't need any equipment. You can use a mat if you want to and have some water nearby, or if you would like a sip to drink. Okay guys, we have 10 seconds to prep. I'm going to start demonstrating during the cardio burst, but that's what we're starting with. So either marching or running in place, or another cardio choice. Here we go. Belly stays strong no matter which variation you're doing. Arms move, knees high. And first we're going to have a calf raise abduction. So you guys keep marching in place or running. I'm going to demonstrate. We're going to go on one foot. We're going to calf raise, lower, abduct the leg so it comes out to the side. Lift, abduct, all one side, then the other. Okay, here we go. So lift, whoop, keep your balance, abduct, knee faces forward. You can hold a chair for balance if you're struggling with that. Onto that toe, making the calf work. Nice high abduction. I'm losing my balance all over the place, guys. There we go. Here we go. Lift high enough, you feel it in the outside of your hip, outside of your thigh. Here we go. Getting there, guys. Keep moving. Hopefully you're feeling the burn a little bit. March or high knees, and then we're going to do the other side. Good job, guys. Push your pace a little bit. Try and get it so you're breathing heavy. Almost there, guys. Okay, other side. So calf raise, lower, abduction. Feeling that squeeze when you abduct. Belly working. Calf raise, abduction. You can go at your own pace. As many reps as you can get in. And if should have said this earlier, but if the single leg is too much, you can come onto both and do it that way. Because this balance is challenging. Good job, guys. Keep going. March or high knees. Next, you have the option of low impact or high impact burpee. So plyo or non. Keep marching, keep doing your cardio. Low impact is squat, step, step, push up or plank, your choice. Step, step, squeeze. High impact is jump, push up, jump, and jump. So you choose whichever variation will be best for you. 2 seconds. Okay, guys. Squeeze through those glutes every time you come up. I'm switching variations just so I could do it with everybody today, no matter which variation you are working on. Good job, guys. Keep going. And cardio. March or high knees. Next, we're gonna have a Rockette kick. So it's gonna be a forward, angled, and side kick. All one side than the other. Keep going. It'll look like this. Kick, kick, kick. Repeat. Okay. Those burpees have me breathing hard. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Belly strong. Feel those ab muscles working with you to maintain your balance and position. Good job, guys. Keep going. We're getting there, guys. High knees or marching, and then the other side. So when you're done with this workout, let me know what you think, and if you had a favorite move you'd like to see come back again. I love getting your input. Rockette kicks on the other side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, repeat. I'm not so worried about how high you kick. Listen to your body. Just keep moving. Make sure you feel that core engage. Keep going, guys. Okay, cardio. Next, we're gonna have a lunge to lift. Keep going with your cardio. So we're gonna all one side lunge, hips go straight up and down, and then we're gonna lift, pressing through the front heel and lifting that back heel before going right back into it. Again, all one side, then we'll cardio, then the other side. Good job. Okay, lunge to lift. Lunge, lift, belly strong. Lift. Push through that front heel to lift your body. Pop that heel up. Good job, guys. Keep going. Doing great. Cardio. And then we're going to do the other side. Good job, guys. Check that your knees are high. Other side, lunge, whoops, and lift. Pushing through the heel. Find that balance and lift. Kick that leg up, even if it just feels like it's barely lifting. It'll help you target these upper glute muscles on that lift. Good job, guys. Cardio. Down dog split, 2 side plank is next. Keep going with your cardio. We're gonna go into down dog. So starting plank, find your down dog, 1 leg lift. That's our down dog split. Then we're gonna rotate onto the side plank. I'll show you on the other side, even though it's a right and a left. Lift, come down, rotate onto the sides of your feet, side plank. All one side, then we'll do the other. Okay. Down dog. We'll start with right leg. Lifting, bring it through your plank, side plank. Down dog, split, lift. Good job, guys. Breathe. Keep going. Good job. Cardio burst. And the other side. Keep breathing, catch your breath. Before we move on, shake out your arms if you need to. Okay, other side. Left leg lifting this time, or whatever side you didn't just do. Down dog split. Rotate into side plank. Hand below your shoulder. If you're able to, look toward that top hand. Good job, guys. Hopefully I'm not the only sweaty one doing this workout right now. Good job, guys. Keep going. And cardio. Next, we're gonna have reverse plank to tabletop. So keep going with your cardio. I'm gonna demo. Reverse plank, hands under your shoulders, lift into your reverse plank, belly pulls in. To go into tabletop, you're gonna step, step, press the hips up. So your legs should be at 90. Step, step back into your reverse plank, repeat. Okay, cardio. Oh, just in time for the bell. Reverse plank, and if the tabletop gets too crazy to add, hold your reverse plank. It'll help you build all of the muscles that you need to work to progress this exercise. Hips press high, belly pulls in. Head can drop back if that's more comfortable when you lift. Good job, guys. Keep going. Hips pressing high in both parts. So you see, I lift the hips, Step, step, and lift to the hips. Good job, guys. Cardio. Last two exercises. It's another right and left. Keep up with your cardio. We're going to do a balanced leg rotation. Belly strong. Hold something if you need to for balance. I'm going to turn to the side so I have room. Bring it all the way around and back, all the way to the front. Back and front. Okay, guys. As you rotate, try and keep your leg evenly lifted the whole time. It's harder than it sounds. Out to the side and back. Feel that squeeze. Rotate it to the front. Belly strong and pulled in the whole time. Breathe. Sometimes it's the exercises that look the simplest that give the biggest burn. So I'm feeling it right here, right now. I don't know about you guys. Breathe. I am dripping sweat. Cardio, and then we finish with the other side. Good job, guys. Almost there. Knees high if they're not already. Okay, balance leg rotation, other side. Belly in. Kick it back. And forward. Good job, guys. We're getting there. 20 seconds. Keep it lifted. Pull that belly in if it's not there already. Less than 5 seconds. Yay, good job, guys. Okay. So grab some water if you need it. I lost my water, but that's okay. I'll get some after. This is half of a longer workout that I cut in half. So you can either do this on its own. I made it shorter so that it's accessible for people who need something really fast. But I am gonna film the second half. So if you want to do a longer workout, about 45 minutes, about 45 minutes total, I will post the link for the other half of the video so you have that option as well. Thank you guys always for working out with me. You can find the full workout breakdown and over 700 other workouts on my website, benderfitness.com, and I hope to see you guys there. And I'm so happy to be back and working out with you guys again. Woohoo! So let me know what you thought of the workout. I'll see you guys later.